I'm involved in an effort to redevelop some old industrial land into a park. It's the sort of project they make those sappy Super Bowl commercials about. There were a couple paper mills, a foundry, machine shop, a bunch of other stuff. The result of the past use is there's a lot of really interesting debris out in the woods. Some of it's pretty usable. And that's where this stuff came from. There's some really good pieces of cast iron in here that I'll use for some future project. But really today, I'm after the wood. There's some pretty cool tenon joints in here with wedges in them. I'm going to try to save those if I can. This stuff is all pretty greasy, so right now I just want to try to clean it up as best I can and see what I have here. I let these dry out in the sun for a few days and then glued up some of the splits and cracks with some clear Gorilla Glue. For as greasy as this stuff is, it seems like it's bonding okay. Next I'm going to rip these pieces down into usable pieces and glue them up into sign-sized pieces. I used a free program called F-Engrave to generate the tool paths for these, and then fed them to the CNC router using a 90-degree V-bit. I ran most of these with the dust shoe on, but it's not as interesting to watch it that way. Overall, they're I would have liked them to be a little bit more readable. This one I really like. Some of them are a little bit tough to read. I don't think trying to do any sort of paint in here is going to work very well with all this crud that's soaked into these. I don't think very much is going to stick. I think I'm just going to give these a coat or two of teak oil and call them pretty good. One of my neighbors had this drill press sitting out by the side of the road yesterday for free. Needs some work, but as long as no sparks shoot out of it, we'll see if it works. And if you're concerned about the lack of machine tools in this video, I'll leave you with the remains of this big metal planer. This machine is also in the park. This is a Bullard Multomatic, which is basically 6 or 8 lathes ganged together, each one doing one operation, and then the chucks index around. Really neat and completely obsolete machine.